children, previous video I have explained chapter 3 squares and square roots. What is meant by a square and which are the properties of squares, which are the properties of perfect squares, and some patterns also we have studied. So here I am going to explain exercise 3.1 question number 3. Question number 1 it is filling the blanks, and question number 2 true or false. Properly hear that first video and try to do this filling the blanks and true or false. If you are getting any doubt, then please contact me. I will explain you. Try by yourself that two questions, that is question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 is filling the blanks and question number 2 is true or false. Now I will explain question number 3. Let's see the question. What will be the units digit of the square of the following numbers? If we find out the square of this number, then what will be its unit digit? That is the question. So we have studied, previous video we have studied the properties of squares. In that properties of squares and square roots we have studied, if a number ends with the digit 0, its square also will end with the digit 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If a number end with the digit 5, then its square also end with the digit 5. Suppose an example, 15 square is equal to, what is answer? 225. 5. A number end with the digit 5, then its square also will end with the digit 5. 25 square, 625. See, a number end with the digit 5, its square also will end with the digit 5. Same way, if a number end with the digit 0, its square also will end with the digit 0. If a number end with the digits 4 or 6, then its square will end with the digits 6. Example, 6 square, 6 6 are 36. Or 14 square, 14 into 14, what is the answer? 14 into 14, 4 4s are 16, 6 remain 1, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5, 4, 1, 6, 5 plus 1, 9, 196, 196. See, if a number end with the digits 6, its square will end with the digit 6. If a number end with the digit 4 also, its square will end with the digit 6. So, if a number end with the digits 4 or 6, then its square will end with the digit 6. Just imagine like that, 4 4s are 16, last digit is 6. 6 6 are 36, last digit is 6. Now, if a number end with the digits 3 or 7, then its square will end with the digits 3 3s are 9, or 7 7s are 49, last digit is 9. Now, if a number end with the digits 2 or 8, then its square will end with the digits 2 2s are 4, 8 8s are 64, last digit is 4, so it will come 4. Now, next one. If a number end with the digit 1 or 9, its square will end with the digits 1. 1 into 1 1. 9 9s are 81, last digit is 1. So if a number end with the digit 1, then it's a square. If we find out the square of this number, in this number last digit will be 1. Suppose it is 599. If we find out the square of this number, we will get a number. Its last digit will be, what will be the last digit? It will be 1. So that this property already we have studied. So using this property we are going to find out here also. That is, what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? Unit digit of the square of the following numbers we have to find out. Using this property we will find out it now. First question, question number A, 52. A, 52. Answer we can write unit digit of the square. Unit digit of the square is equal to, how can we find out that? Just you see that last digit. What is the last digit? 2. If a number end with the digit 2, then its square will end with the digit 4. So it will come 4. Now next one, tell me this one. 957. Question number B. 957. Unit digit of the square. Unit digit of the square is equal to, what is the last digit here? 7. If a number end with the digit 7, its square will end with the digit 9. So the answer is 9. Now 272, last digit is 2, so its square will end with the digit 4. 799, last digit is 9, so its square will end with the digit 1. 4583, last digit is 3, so its square will end with the digit 9. So just remember that property, then we can write these all the answers. Some more questions are there. That means A, B, C, D, E only I wrote. F, G, H, I, J up to J it is there, I think. That questions you do it by yourself. Okay, now next question, question number 4. See question number 4. The square of which of the following numbers would be an odd number? The square of which of the following numbers would be an odd number? Square of which of the numbers? If we find out the square of this number, we will get an odd number or an even number. If we find out the square of this number, we will get an odd number or even number. That is the question. So that means which of the following numbers, okay, then if we find out the square of these numbers, which numbers we will get odd number? We have studied property. Square of an even number is always an even number. Square of an odd number is always an odd number. So square of an even number, always we will get even number only. Square of an odd number, we will get always an odd number only. So here, which of the following numbers would be an odd number? The square of which of the following numbers would be an odd number? Which numbers we will get an odd number? 731 is an odd number. If we find out the square of this number, we are going to get an odd number only. 2826, odd number or even number? Last digit is an even number, so it is an even number. So if we find out the square of this number, we will get an even number only. So that we cannot write. Now 3456, it is an even number. If we find out the square of this number also, we will get an even number only. 5559 is an odd number. So this number is an odd number. If we find out the square of 5559, then we will get an odd number. Now next one, 42,008, even number or odd number? It is an even number, so we are going to get an even number only if we find out the square. So these two numbers only we will get an odd number if we find out the square. So answer is 731 and 5559 only. Okay, now question number 5. Okay, now see question number 5. Question number 5. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reasons. These numbers are not perfect squares. So what is the reason? We have studied a property, that is a number which ends with the digits 2, 3, 7 or 8. A number which ends with the digits 2, 3, 7 or 8 never be a perfect square. Never be a perfect square. Therefore 1547, 8948, 1057 and 3,33,000 3,33,333 are not perfect squares. Not perfect squares. Now last one. 6,60,060. 6,60,060. It is also not a perfect square. What is the reason? There also we have studied a property. Number of zeros at the end of a perfect square, is always even. Number of zeros at the end of a perfect square. Number of zeros at the end of a perfect square is always even. But here you see only one zero. 1 means it is an odd number. So odd number of zeros means it is not a perfect square. Therefore we can write 6,60,060 is not a perfect square. Dear children, these all the properties it is there in your textbook. Please write down in your notebook and study that. Then only we can do these questions. This one also I just told that. Then this reason we have to write. The following numbers are not perfect squares. What is the reason? Reason we are writing this property only. Whatever properties we have studied, that properties we are writing here. Here you see this number end with 7, 8, 7, 3. 7, 8, 3. 7, 8, 7, 3. 7, 8, 3. Or 2 also, never a perfect square. A number which end with the digits 2, 3, 7 or 8 never be a perfect square. So these numbers we can say that they are not perfect squares. And this one last digit is not 3, 7, 2, 3, 7 or 8. Last digit is 0. But that also not a perfect square. What is the reason? Number of zeros at the end of a perfect square is always even. Number of zeros at the end of a perfect square always will come and even. But here only one zero. 1 means it is an odd number. So odd number of zeros it will not come. So that is why this one is also not a perfect square. Now question number 6. Question 6. Observe the following pattern and find the value of A 28 into 30, B 29 into 31, C 31 into 33, D 47 into 49, E 52 into 54. Observe the following pattern. That pattern we have to observe and we have to find the values of these numbers. So see that pattern. 11 into 13 is equal to 12 square minus 1. 10 into 12 is equal to 11 square minus 1. 13 into 15 is equal to 14 square minus 1. Just observe that pattern. Did you understand anything? Easily we can identify that 11 into 13. In between that one number is there. Which number is that? 12. 12 square minus 1. 10 into 12. Between 10 and 12 which number is there? 11. 11 square. 13, 14, 15. 14 square minus 1. So that same way we can find out this one also. So question number 1. Question number A. 28 into 30. Find out its answer. 28 into 30 is equal to 28. Next number is 29, 30. So 29 square minus 1. That is equal to. Find out 29 square. 29 into 29. 9 9s are 81, 1, remainder 8. 9 2s are 18 plus 8, 26. Then 9 2s are 18, 8, remainder 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 1. 8 plus 6. That is 14, 4, remainder 1, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 841. 841 minus 1, that is equal to what is answer? 840. Or you multiply it and see, then also we will get answer. 28 into 30, multiply it and see. 28 into 30. 28 into 30. 8 3s are 24, 4, remainder 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 1 0 is there, 840. If you are multiplying this one also, we will get the same answer only. But here question, observe the following pattern and find the value of following. That means we have to use that pattern to find out this number, this product. So that is why 28 into 30, 28 into 30, 28, next number 29. In between the two numbers, one number is 29. So it's a square, you find out, minus 1 you subtract, then we will get the answer. I think you can do the remaining questions. Okay, try it by yourself. Easy only. One more I will tell you. 29 into 31. In between that, which number is there? 30. So it will come 30 square minus 1. 30 square 900 minus 1, it will come 899. So that same way, remaining questions you can do. So please do it at home. Now question number 7. Observe the following pattern and find the value of 16 square minus 15 square, 28 square minus 27 square, 50 square minus 49 square, 100 square minus 99 square, 110 square minus 109 square. So first we have to observe that pattern. 2 square minus 1 square is equal to 2 plus 1. 3 square minus 2 square is equal to 3 plus 2. 4 square minus 3 square is equal to 4 plus 3. 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 5 plus 4. Dear children, did you understand anything? Yes. 2 square minus 1 square, 2 plus 1. 3 square minus 2 square, 3 plus 2. 4 square minus 3 square, 4 plus 3. 5 square minus 4 square, 5 plus 4. We can check it once. 4 square minus 3 square. 4 square, 4 fours are 16 minus 3 square, 3 threes are 9. 16 minus 9, what is the answer? 7. 4 plus 3, what is the answer? 7. So 4 square minus 3 square, we will get 4 plus 3, that is 7, we will get answer. 5 square minus 4 square, 5 fives are 25 minus 4 square, 4 fours are 16. Subtract it, what will we get? 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9. 5 plus 4, what will we get answer? 9. So using that pattern, now here we are going to find out our numbers, that is first question 16 square minus 15 square. 16 square minus 15 square is equal to, what will come answer here? 16 plus 15. Add that two numbers, that much only. 16 plus 15, that is equal to 31. 28 square minus 27 square, what will you get answer? 28 plus 27. Add it. 50 square minus 49 square. 50 plus 49, that is 99. 100 square minus 99 square. 100 plus 99, 199. 110 square minus 109 square. 110 plus 109. Add it. That is the answer. Okay, that much only. Remaining we will study in the next video.